everybody, Tanya here and welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table. Today I want to share with you my turkey chili recipe. It's a cold rainy day here and I just went through my freezer and I'm kind of cleaning out my freezer, and this is what I like to do when on a cold rainy day and there's some little items you want to go on and cook up. So first I'm going to start with, this is a pound of ground turkey that I got from Aldi, and it's $1.89. And I like beans in my chili, so I'm just going to use 1 can of chili of beans from Aldi, and these are like 48 cents. And here's some jalapenos. I put these in the freezer. These are like 69 cents for all of these. And when they're on sale, I just put them in the freezer, and I'm going to chop them up and put them in the chili jalapenos. Same thing with celery. These were in my freezer, so I don't know if you guys do that. I chop mine up in little sizes like this, in spheres, and I put them in the freezer. So this is a freezer clean out and meal prep. 1 aroma tomato, ½ cup of onions, and then I had like these peppers in the freezer. Chop those up. I'm going to use a pack of chili powder, and then I got some of these like open jars of it, so I'm going to see how much I can, I think I'm going to be able to finish this one up. And I have 2 of these on standby. I like to season it with some Creole seasoning, Worcestershire sauce, W sauce, hot sauce, and I have a little bit of salsa left, so I like to make a nice chili sauce with all of these ingredients, and I'll show you how to do that in a few minutes. All right, so stay tuned and we're going to get to assembling it. All right. Okay, now as the meat is browning, I'm going to turn this around. I like to make my sauce, and I use that, all of the ingredients. I use my tomatoes, the jalapenos, and all the different peppers and onions. I'll put that in there. And I have this salsa, so it won't go to waste. And I'll put 2 cups of water in the jar. Now I'm just going to start with 1. Shake it up. Put the chili powder in there. My Worcestershire sauce, few splashes, about a teaspoon in the jar, in my salsa jar. Okay. My hot sauce. That's a teaspoon. Okay, shake it up. Then I pour it all in my Ninja. Where is my top at? I don't know what I did with the top. Oh, here it is. And I blend and make a nice sauce. Okay, the turkey is browned, and now I'm going to season the turkey with some Creole seasoning. Okay. And this was a fresh pack. Okay, so with 1 pound, 1 pound of turkey, then I blended up all of my vegetables and sauce. I checked it for flavor. I'm going to pour my sauce in there. I like to mix a combination of fresh vegetables along with, the dried chili powder, and fresh with okay, I've got a combination of fresh vegetables and frozen and dry powders and all of that mixed together, and it made 4 cups. That's what I like, about a quart of a sauce with 1 pound of meat, ground turkey. That's when I'm just doing a small batch. 1 can of kidney beans. I like to put that in last. I don't want to stir it too much. Break up the beans. Okay. Looks good. Trying to find a spoon. have one last taste before I'm gonna pressure cook this. I'm gonna steam this. Yes, ma'am. I know some people put sugar in theirs, but you know, tomatoes have sugar and acid. So it's good. It's good for me. It's good for I like it. Not too salty, but flavorful because we blended all those vegetables and everything, and the jalapenos. Everything is, oh, I love it. Okay, so let me find my top. And we're going to cancel that. We're going to go to pressure cook, and there is a chili button. And we're going to set it to chili. All right, now come back when it's all done, guys. Okay, everybody, it's all done. And it is delicious. And here is my bowl. I got 1 cup of chili. I got it garnished with some cheddar cheese, a little sour cream, and chives. And I'm going to have it with some corn tortillas, which is going to elevate my blood sugar, but I'm going to eat a few today anyway. And with some ice water. And I want to thank you guys so much for supporting my channel and tuning in today. And I appreciate your support so much. And I'll welcome you to give me a thumbs up if you learned anything today. You can comment. I love to read the comments. And subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and then hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content, okay? So here we go. Awesome. Give it a try, guys. I give it a thumbs up. Bye. Bye, Tastemakers. See you in my next video. Bye.